Hey folks, we are on Icon of the Seas out of Port Miami, and today we are looking at a grand suite, 16042. Very conveniently located, right by the elevators. So as you go in, you'll notice this is just an absolutely beautiful room. Come around here, right by the door. You're gonna have your important, way here, important emergency information as far as your muster station, etc. Got your espresso / coffee machine. Up here is where your safe is located. And down below, you have a refrigerator and a little sliding drawer that has information on room service, as well as the breakfast menu. If you want to get order breakfast here to your room, you just simply fill out the stateroom number, the number of guests, the time you'd like it delivered, and then there's all the information as far as what you can order. Continental breakfast on the left side is complimentary. American breakfast, an additional charge. You have one of the two large closets here. Got your robes waiting for you. You also have this here. If you need more room to hang up clothing, simply drop that down. Got storage here along the wall. Let's check out this bathroom. Very spacious bathroom. Double vanity. You also have two US outlets, storage, 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers, additional storage along the bottom. You have a full-size shower, like the marble, nice touch. You also have complimentary body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. These all have specific scents. You have rum scent, cilantro scent, and peppermint. Got your towels here along the wall, your toilet. A couple of hooks here on the door. Very important for those wet towels and wet swimsuits. And here you have your thermostat, where you can cool or control the air conditioning. You can also adjust your lighting here for morning, evening. One item of note that I want to point out: if you push sleep, it will shut the lights off, all of the lights off for the night, but it also shuts off your air conditioning. The idea behind that is the air conditioning makes noise and it shuts it off for the night. So if you don't want your room to overheat, you might want to avoid that sleep button. You have lights here for the room. Your master switch, which shuts off all the lights. Got some goodies here, courtesy of Casino Royale. Got a few more hooks here. And folks, I don't know that I have ever seen more storage in a stateroom than what I have seen in this grand suite. 3 drawers there. Also have a little mirror here. And that is where the hairdryer is. You have more outlets here, European outlets and USB. The telephone there. Full-length mirror. And here's the Royal King bed. Now this is a 1-bedroom grand suite. Have the light switches there, which control not only the lamps here on the nightstands, it also controls this lighting here overhead. So one light or one switch controls each. You have a European outlet here on this side. And on the other side, you have a US outlet as well as USB outlets. One nice little feature here, you have this curtain. If you want to close out the light from your balcony, simply pull the curtain. Now your television does pull out away from the wall, so you can watch TV there from your bedroom. Now we have the living area. Now we have more outlets. You've got some European outlets here, USBs, light switches for the lamps. You have a full-size couch, which also does pull out, so if you have additional guests staying there. This switch actually controls the light for the balcony. Nice little bistro table here and a chair. And surprise, surprise, more storage. This again, you can pull down if you need additional room to hang anything. You have a second television here. More European outlets and USBs. What I found was interesting here, you have this little book inside. It's all various artwork from the ships. Also, this little seating area here. And this brings us to this absolutely enormous balcony. Let's go outside and take a look. As you can see, this balcony is deep. We're overlooking right now the port of Miami, getting ready to go on a 7-day Eastern Caribbean cruise. Got a nice table for 4 out here, along with a little lounge chair and an additional table. The light switch that I showed you earlier controls the light, which is right there. Absolutely beautiful. Deep balcony on this grand suite. Now, one item of note, close that. You do have a locking mechanism here. If you wish to lock that door, you can do so. And that is one bedroom grand suite number 16042 on Icon of the Seas. If anyone has any questions about these grand suites, feel free to leave a message in the comments. I check them on a regular basis. We're also going to be including another video where we make some comparisons between a grand suite and a junior suite, and even a balcony room on Icon of the Seas. Thanks for watching. Be sure to smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you would. It's free to do so. That really helps me out. And we'll see you around.